have enough time to tell you everything, but I'll try to tell you where it began. My name is Ed Thompson. About 6 months ago, I went in for a doctor's appointment. Nothing major, I was in and out, and life went on as usual. Then 2 days ago, I was at my workbench cutting through some wood, and this woman comes out of nowhere banging on the garage door. She starts telling me about how she knew about my doctor's visit, the swab from my mouth was sent to a lab, and they did some sort of genetic testing. She was one of the leading doctors on this team that had selected me as a prime candidate for some experiment. They said I was young, I had no family, among a laundry list of other things, and that I have a 75% chance of developing terminal cancer. Then she started telling me about all these crazy advancements in medicine and biotechnology, and that she was working with the people responsible for cracking the human genome, this group led by Craig Venter. They created a synthetic cell which stored massive amounts of information within the DNA code, and that was 2008. At the same time, another company, Kurzweil Accelerated, had been developing nanotechnology the size of microbes. Those two groups teamed up and made biosynthetic organisms that are basically minuscule computers that work like blood cells. Apparently, this technology will not only give humans the ability to attack viruses, cure disease, but they can extend life for hundreds of years. On top of that, there's going to be software inside the cells that act as carriers for upgrades to our bodies and minds. The potential is limitless. She went on and on talking about the exponential acceleration of progress in technology, and all this was beyond me. I thought this woman was insane. No matter how much I pressed, she wouldn't explain what was going to happen to me. All she said was that the experiment would be the only thing terminated if I mentioned her visit. She told me she'd contact me within a couple days and just left. I didn't know what to think of all this. I tried to get back to work, but I couldn't. My thoughts were all over the place. I got myself staring. I noticed the table saw spinning. I looked down at the 2x4 I was holding and began to focus on the grains and striations. Then out of nowhere, I thought about the bristlecone pine tree in Methuselah's Grove in the White Mountains of California. It's home to a tree that's over 5,000 years old. That's an organism that's been alive on this planet since before the pyramids were built. So I began scouring the web for some truth. The things I found made it easy to believe anything was possible. Kurzweil, Venter, accelerated technology, everything was very real. I didn't sleep for 2 days. I was drowning in information about biosynthetic technology. Yesterday, she finally contacted me again. She revealed how my DNA was used. It opened my eyes to an entire world of truth. The only way I could know everything for sure was to travel over 1,200 miles to see the experiment for myself. She told me they were testing the efficiency, functionality, and psychology of their creation, that they named Alan. What better way to get real-world findings than to place your rat in the maze of the real world? Is this your boat? Get inside right now. Come on, let's go. Come on. Whoa, wait a second. Listen, Alan, I know this is weird, okay? I'll explain everything, but right now you need to drop the hose and get inside the boat. Okay? Come on. Let's go. As I sit here now, I wonder if part of the experiment was to see what would happen once I met the next version of myself. And he met the integrated one. Sit down. Okay, I don't have enough time to tell you everything, but I'll try to tell you where it began. My name is Ed Thompson. About 6 months ago, I went in for a doctor's appointment.